Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Thetford Mines local and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to hire a cheap Thetford Mines moving company, you need 3 movers. We offer the best local and long-distance moving services for your specific needs. If you're ready to hire a team to handle your move, you need the right services. Our team of movers will help make sure you get to your new location fast and easy. A long-distance move doesn't have to be so difficult. We offer all of the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. You get a team of professionals ready to help you move when you choose to book a long-distance move with us. We make it simple for you to move 100 miles away or further. With a good Canada moving company, your local move becomes so much easier. Good movers will take over all the heavy lifting to make your workload less. You can also avoid damaged items and injury with professional movers. 3 Movers offers the right team to make your moves simple. We streamline the entire process to save you a ton of time and energy. When you need to move, we can make it happen so much faster than going at it yourself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thetford Mines moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.